Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome and I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be making a 2x6 lace closure wig using these hair bundles and the lace closure I made from scratch. So I'm going to be using them for a week today. So this is the lace closure right here. I have a video showing you guys how to make the lace closure from scratch. So the link to that video will be in the description box down below. Okay, so now let's go straight into the video. So to start, you want to go ahead and pin your wig cap to the mannequin head. You want to make sure to secure the wig cap to the mannequin head using some pins. So securing the wig cap to the mannequin head will prevent it from sliding when sewing the hair down. So next I'm going in with water erasable chalk and I'm going ahead to mark the middle part of the cap, which is the center part of the cap. So next I'm going in to place down the lace closure, making sure to line up the middle part of the lace to the line I made on the wig cap. So next I'm going in to pin it in place. So for the side of the lace closure, I'm going to pull on it to make sure that the lace is laying flat on the wig cap. As you can see right here, you want to make sure to pull it to make sure it lays flat on the wig cap. So once that is done, take your pins and pin down the lace closure. So next, repeat the same process on the other side of the lace closure. Again, you want to make sure that the lace is laying flat on the wig cap. Okay, so once that is done, you can put the hair into a bun or you can braid it to get it out of the way for the next step. So once the hair is out of the way, the next step is to take your needle and thread and start sewing down the lace closure. At the beginning right here, you want to make sure to pass the needle through the black cap and the elastic band. So you want to make sure to secure the lace to the elastic band at the hairband right there. So So you want to start on one side, sew it all the way to the middle part of the cap, sorry, to the middle part of the lace at the back, then stop, and then you're going to continue on the other side. So okay, so once you're done sewing down the other side, the next step is to tie both threads together to secure them in place. Okay, so now that that is done, the next step now is to start sewing down the track. So right here, I'm just going in with my fabric marker to draw in some guidelines on the wig cap. So at this point, I'm getting close to the lace closure. I'm going to be sewing the track really close together, as you can see right there. So for the first track, I'm going to be sewing it along the edge of the black cap, starting from the front, as you can see right there. So I'm pinning the weft at the edge of the black cap all the way round. Okay, so now that that is done, I'm going in with my needle and thread to sew down the track. So right here, I'm not sewing the weft on the elastic band. Okay, I'm only stitching it to the black cap. So I'm only stitching it to the black cap because I want the elastic band to have room to stretch once I'm done sewing down the weft. So the again, I did not sew the track on the elastic band. I only attached it to the black cap. So for this next one, I'm going to be starting it behind the ear on the mannequin head. So right here, I'm going ahead to pin it in place, starting behind the ear of the mannequin head on one side to the other side. And also I'm going to be spacing at the back using 1 inch space allowance. So I'm going to be spacing at the track using 1 inch at the back of the wig cap. So this is it right here. I'm just showing you guys so you can see the spacing right there. Okay. So again, doing the same thing, I'm going to start by securing the needle in place before going ahead to sew down the track. And also, if you're new and you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that way whenever I post a new video, you will get notified. Okay, so for this wig making process, I won't be cutting the weft. Instead, I'm going to be doing the fold over method. As you can see right here, I'm going ahead to fold the weft over and I'm going to pin it in place. Okay, right there. So next, using my thumb, I'm holding the fold over edge in place, and with my other hand, I'm going to use that to stitch the fold over edge in place, just like that. So to help the fold over edge lay flat, I'm going to be placing my thumb on that particular point and pull on the thread. So while pulling on the thread, I'm pressing down the fold over edge to help lay it flat. Okay, so almost done with the stitching part. So again, doing the same thing, I'm doing the fold over method, so I'm not cutting the weft. So not cutting the weft will minimize shedding on the hairs. So again, I'm going to take the hair and the hair weft and fold it over, making sure to line it up with the line I marked on the black cap earlier. As you can see right there, line it up, pin it in place. So again, going in to stitch down the fold over point. So doing the same thing, I'm going to be placing my thumb on the fold over point to help lay it flat as I pull on the thread to secure the knot in place. So using my thumb to press it down to help lay it flat. Okay, so right now I'm going in to work on the last track. As you can see, I pinned it really close to the lace. So I'm not giving it that much space between the lace and the last track. So I want to make sure it's a bit close together. So the next step now is to cut out the black cap underneath the lace. So be careful when doing this so you don't accidentally cut the lace. So you want to pay attention to what you're doing to ensure that you're only cutting the black cap underneath the lace. So now I'm gonna match the coil pattern or with the coil pattern on the lace to the weft. So I'm just gonna go ahead and braid it. And I'm gonna spray in some water on the hair before going ahead to braid it. Okay, so I'm going in with my hand dryer to dry the hair to help set the coils in place. Also, I add in some kinky edges, as you can see right there on the front of it, to give it that natural look. So next, right now, I'm going in to take down the braids. So next, I'm going in with my scissors to cut off the excess lace. Okay, so here is the final result of the 2x6 lace closure kinky wig. Beautiful. Love it. All right, guys, so we've come to the end of today's video. As always, if you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button if you are new to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all for subscribing, and I'll see you all in my next video.